Hi guys, in this video I will show you exactly how to use my Base44 coupon code and where to enter it during the sign up process. Now at the time of recording this video, this is the latest available code, but if better deals or updated coupon codes come up, I will always add them to the video description. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you are going to head over to the Base44 pricing page. So what you can simply do is, first of all, go ahead and sign up. Now, do make sure to sign up using the link in the description below, or else you will not get the lifetime discount. Now, once you've signed up, you're simply going to go over to your account, and over here, you can go ahead and easily upgrade. Now for that, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead and click on billing. And right here, you're going to see the plans for yourself. Now we have 4 plans: the starter, builder, pro, and elite. Now you can choose to go ahead with any of these plans. They all work incredibly for each other. Now what we're simply going to be doing is I'm going to go with the pro plan over here. So I'm simply going to hit subscribe for pro. Now once you hit subscribe for pro, you can see that we have the monthly plan for pro, which is $100 every month, and the yearly plan for Pro, which is $80 for 12 months, where you're going to save around $240, which is pretty incredible. Now, once we are here to show you how it works, here is how the monthly price is going to look, $100, right? So if we click on continue to checkout, it's going to be bringing us straight over here. So the price before the discount code is $100. Now what we're simply going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and write in the coupon code. So before you complete your purchase, make sure to use my link in the description to sign up so you receive the lifetime discount. And once you're at the checkout page, simply click on add promotion code. Okay. And here you're going to add in the code NESTSPECIAL 20. So the code is Nest Special 20. Now, once you've added the code, simply click on apply. Now, the code, before the code, the price is $100. Once we apply the code, you can see the price has gone down to $20, and now it's $80 in total. So we got a $20 discount, 20% off for a month, and now you have $80 up to go. Okay. Now you can do this same thing with the yearly plan as well. So simply go over to the plan you want to subscribe to, go to the yearly pricing tier where you're already getting a discount for yourself. And once you're in the yearly tier, you can see the price before the discount code is $960. Now, if we go on add promotion code, and we're going to add in the same code, Nest Special 20. And once we've added that, we're going to click apply. Before the discount code, the price is $960. We got a discount of $192, and now the price is $768. So once you have a discounted price for yourself, simply go ahead and check out. You see the price change immediately once the code is applied. So basically, that is all you need to do. That's exactly how to apply the Base44 coupon code and where to find the updated pricing. Remember to check the description for the latest codes and deals. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.